What's up, squad? So welcome back to the second video of the Playground Express series, third video of the channel. Let's get into it. So today we're going to be doing another game. This is like kind of something that I want to do, and this time though it's going to be a little bit of a different type of game. Last time I was doing a lot of touch inputs and just having the ring go around, which is a good start, but it could be a little bit better. So now the next game I'm going to be doing is kind of like those memory games where it's like you have to memorize a code. So it's like there's 4 different sectors, and then you have to like be able to press go in those different ways, and then it kind of just ramps up and ramps up. So those are pretty fun, and I want to try out one of those. The one thing that I'm going to be doing though, that's going to make it a little bit more challenging, I guess, is I'm going to be using directional inputs. So to like show that you memorize something, you have to tilt it in that direction, which requires motion control and a lot more coding and like just being able to, I guess, use like real world data, which looks kind of cool. So it's going to be really focusing around this little mechanism in the middle right here, the accelerometer. And basically the accelerometer gives you acceleration in 3 different inputs, and yeah, you are able to kind of see the XYZ direction, and then from there that will tell you like which quadrant, I guess, you are pointing in. So let's get started. Alright, so we got our circuit playground here, and I wrote up just a little bit of code basically showing how much acceleration this, I guess, the circuit playground is feeling due to gravity and also due to other forces. And yeah, let's test it out. This is going to be individualized for each direction. So first, this one's for the X direction, and right now it's at 0 because the X direction is facing this way and this way, and there isn't really much happening there. Green means it's negative and red means it's positive. So now if we move it a little bit more, as you can see, the more, I guess, upright it goes, the more that the X direction becomes lit up, and you can see that it's feeling the force of gravity here. And the more I kind of make it more perpendicular to the ground, the more it becomes closer to 0. So just doing that again, and there we go. So I'm just going to do it quickly for the Y direction as well, and reset this. So here we go. Alright, and this is the Y direction now. So the Y direction is, if we look at it from here, basically front and then back. So Y direction positive points this way. So if we see, the more upright it becomes, the more red is illuminated, and the less it becomes, the less it is. So basically using this, what I'm going to do is say for basically different X and Y values, which direction it's being pointed in. And then using those intervals will allow me to basically say which direction the user is facing the circuit playground, which will allow me to determine whether or not they remember the right color or not, or the right quadrant, I should say. So yeah, now enjoy a time lapse of that code, and then we'll be back to kind of showcase the entire game. All right, and we're back. What's up? What's up? Peace. So I finished the code, and I began testing it a little bit on the side. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And basically, it was really weird because what happened was whenever I was doing something, it would give me the exact opposite. Like whenever I wanted to do these 3 lights, it would give me these 3 lights. So basically, I had to change the Y direction a little bit, and I added some like performance features to make it a little bit better. Basically, it clears now instead of just staying, so it's easier to understand what's going on. But other than that, I think my code was really the same. I just inverted the Y. I'm sorry, the X. So yeah, now it's time for the grand finale. Let's test it out. So there we go. We got a yellow. All right, that's 1. 2 times. All right. Yellow, yellow, blue. Oh, blue. Yellow, yellow, blue, purple. Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Alright. Yellow. Yellow, blue. Oh, okay. I got that one wrong. I think I only did 1 yellow for here. But that's how you know it works. So yeah, I mean, if you all want to try it out, it's really easy. Just get your own Playground Express and start the code, begin working on it. This accelerometer it's a really fun thing to play with, and it's really great to use. And you'll best believe that I'll be using more products, or I guess like projects with it in the future. Yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Also, let me know if this type of video style works the best, because I'm just trying to switch stuff up, experiment a little bit, and see how everything goes. So, peace.